Yo, King! Sup? I hope you are absolutely fine. I am asking this just out of curiosity, but who do you think grinds the most in life? The answer is very obvious. It's the guys who play guitar in a grindcore band. No, today's video is not about grindcore, deathcore, metalcore, or any of the millions of subgenres of metal. Instead, today we will talk about the rarest form of masculinity, Sigma males, and how their scarcity is going extinct. So lately I have noticed that you guys have real interest on Sigma males. I mean the topic. So you know what a Sigma male is. But do you know how to evaluate the Sigma-ness of a man? Don't worry, I will walk you through it. Sigma male. But why Sigma male? I don't know. All I know is Greeks always had this weird kink of naming everything. Now to understand the evaluation process, let's take two subjects, Tyler Larson and Tyler Durden. If you don't know any of them, don't worry, just believe in Ivy wisdom. But okay, as you insist, I will introduce them to you. Tyler Larson is a YouTuber who owns a YouTube channel named Music Is Win. Berkeley pass out, guitar nerd, great musician, and makes wholesome content for both musician and non-musician audiences. And Tyler Durden, the guy from Fight Club. This video will contain some spoilers of Fight Club, so pause the video and go watch the film first. For a proper Sigma evaluation, we have to check if our subject satisfies the Sigma rules. Rule number 1. Sigma males love being alone. No doubt about him, he is a guitar nerd and he loves being alone with her. And apparently nowadays everybody loves being alone. Like everyone on the internet is an introvert. You know, introverts are the guys who have trouble in expressing themselves socially, but they never have trouble to express their introvertness on their Instagram stories. So are they really Sigma? Yes, of course, but only on Instagram. But the thing that really makes the difference is whose choice it is. For Tyler it is the choice of others, but for Tyler it is his choice. Clearly Tyler here is a master of his own fate, which covers another point on the list. Now in case if you are confused, Tyler is a guitarist. He is not a cute boy on Instagram with an acoustic guitar who plays open chords and covers all the popular and trendy songs on internet. Thus he is not popular. Second rule of Sigma male: silent leader. Now this can be tricky because Tyler is a leader and Tyler is a lead guitarist, but you need to focus on the term silent. So Tyler's lead makes noise. Who can be a silent leader? I don't know. Maybe mute Adolf Hitler. Don't confuse yourself. The key word here is silent. But the only person who can listen to Tyler's lead is this guy. Always remember, for better results, check who lives up to the rule the most. Sigma rule number 3. Adapt to different situations. Now you may ask me, Zaibi, if he is master of his own fate, then why does he have to adapt? And I think the best answer to this is don't ask stupid questions. Now this one is a bit tricky because as a musician it is very common for Tyler to face weird chord changes, weird key changes and even weird time signatures. But Tyler on the other hand set everything up in a way so that he and his team could overcome any obstacle that comes on their way.
You said if anyone ever interferes with Project Mayhem, even you, we gotta get his balls.
In these cases, compare the amount of the effort the person is putting in to adapt to the situation. Tyler just manipulated one mind to adapt to his situation, but Tyler influenced several minds to adapt to his situation. So we have a clear winner here. Next rule: treats everyone the same way. These are obvious picks. Tyler never treats everyone equally. He prefers PRS guitars over anything else. But Tyler on the other hand can speak to just one guy. So where is the inequality? Next rule. The next one is tricky. Understands the importance of silence. All good musicians understand the importance of silence, like where to stop, where to put a pause. But Tyler on the other hand made silence one of the rules.
The first rule of Fight Club is you do not talk about Fight Club.
Evaluation technique. If you are having trouble in evaluating something, just skip it. Next rule. Morally grey or worse. Tyler is morally grey. We all know that. इसीलिए मैंने बोला था वीडियो पॉज करके पहले फिल्म देख के आओ, लेकिन तब मेरी बात तो सुनोगे नहीं. वीडियो कहीं नहीं भाग रही है, तुम पॉज करके पहले फिल्म देख के आओ. On the other hand, we don't have much info about Tyler. So on the basis of lack of information, Tyler it is. Next rule. He hates living safely. Now I don't think you will argue with me on who hates to live safely. The guy who set up a fight club or the guy who sits in his room and plays guitar. Next rule. Hard to understand. This is pretty tough, isn't it? Tyler is hard to understand. So is music theory. So this Tyler is also hard to understand. Oh fuck it, let's call it a draw. Now we are approaching the end of the video. So let's talk about some bonus topics. Like what if it was a tie between the two Tylers? Then the way out is PP measurement. PP means private persona. How much sigma is he in real life? And if you don't have enough information on that, then go back to the definition of sigma male. The lone wolf who likes to follow the beat of their own drum. And this is the reason no guitarist can ever be sigma. You have to follow the beat of the drummer or you will fuck up the whole act. And this strictly violates the definition of sigma male. Congratulations! Now you are capable of evaluating the sigma-ness of any living piece of shit. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Thanks for putting up with my retardation. That means a lot. So I would like to get all the help I can get from you. So if you have liked the video and you think it's worth sharing with your friends, don't hold yourself back. And thanks for supporting the channel. Means a lot. And we'll meet you in the next one.